Hey guys, it's Austin from Turbo Lab, and this video is for the N54 Wastegate Rattle Fix for the BMW 135i, 335i, and the 535i. So this one I already replaced. The thing that I wanted for you to keep note is that they do have different angles for each housing. So this one is slanted this way. Wait, this one is slanted this way, and then the other one is slanted this way, and that's with the wastegate flapper closed. So don't weld it the wrong way. And then the next thing is identifying the problem. So the issue is this bushing moves, or the arm moves in the bushing too much, and then this problem will cause it to not boost very well, and it'll get really bad gas mileage because the arm is sticking open. Okay, for the repair, we first have to grind this off and take a punch and hammer the arm out, and then next we're going to go ahead and drill the pin out, and then I'll show you the rest. But before we do that, you want to go ahead and blast these, make them look nice, and mark where the arm is. You can find the link to the parts you need to do this tutorial in the description box, and the listing I have is for two sets of these for the twin turbo car, and then also I'll list the rebuild kit that we have for sale, and you have to buy two of those if you want to do it for both turbos. And for the oil deflector, the OEM one does block off the oil drain, so ours is a revised one. So here you can see how it wore out, as well as on the bushing. So we need to take this bushing out now, and it presses out here. First we have to drill here. So I drilled all the way through it, which is fine. And we gotta pound this out now. So you'll see it's starting to come out, and you can actually pry that out now. So I got the bushing out, which it's a one-way fitment, so you can't press it out the other way without grinding the top off of it. And here's what it looks like with the bushing removed. And what you want to do next is go ahead and take a little Dremel tool and just smooth out any sharp spots that you put in there so the new one presses in okay. So I have like 2 spots to go over. So the way that I weld this is I'll hold the flapper closed, and I'll have my thumb right here, and I'll weld it left-handed and just go around with as deep as penetration as I can. And that's the best way to tell you I guess, how to weld it. I'm actually right-handed, but I can weld left-handed too, so. So the last thing that I have to do is put the pin, or a pin, back in the side here. So I'm going to take a nail and cut it with a pair of bolt cutters and shove it in there and weld it. And if you wanted to see how the weld turned out, you can see that. And that's closed, so, well, that's closed. This is open, close. Open, close. And we have our pin. So here's the finished product of one of them. This is, make sure you do this right, because this one is this is the closed position for this one, and I welded I welded the pin in there, just a tack weld. So this one's done, and you could check the play so you could see that it's normal. And this is the second one. This is closed position. You can check the play. And the pin is welded in there. Alright, well, if you have any questions or you want me to do the work, you can always contact me at turbolabamerica@gmail.com. If you feel like you could do it yourself, I'll link to the products in the description if you want to buy them. Alright, thanks for watching.